there's a call to rise. With love for God, we lift our eyes. Hearts wide open, holding nothing back. In the face of darkness, we find our track. Love's embrace breaks down the walls. In every gesture, hear the loving call. Love is the virtue that never fades. Through every heartache, this truth pervades. With faith and hope, we'll conquer the night. For in love's power, we find the light. To love our neighbors, just as he said. Acts of kindness, where our hearts are led. Forgive the wrongs, let go of the pain. Together we stand, united in the rain. Patience whispers through the storm. In every struggle, love will keep us warm.